guys, welcome to Fun with Gummy. Sorry if my hands are like a little bit dirty. I just found a great recipe. Sorry guys, I got a tripod. I just got a great recipe for bubblegum slime. And I already made one to test it out. I just left it plain like a white slime. So now we're going to be making a blue bubblegum slime. It kind of could be a peppermint gum. Like I have some peppermint gum which I'm eating right now. And yeah, I just made some clear slime. I'm still waiting for the bubbles to rise up. Yeah, I'm really excited to make some more bubblegum slime. So let's get started. Before we make the bubblegum slime, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure to press the notification bell for you can check out all the videos that I do and notified when I make new videos. And if we can get to 70 subscribers, I will be doing a shout out / special video for all of you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to be telling you the ingredients. You're going to be needing some food coloring. You do not need to use food coloring, but I'm just using this blue, neon blue. Some shaving foam. It has to be shaving foam. I just got this. I actually don't know where I got this. I got it. My mom just gave it to me like literally today. Probably at Walmart or something, but I got some shaving foam. Some contact lens. A mixing tool. This is what I use. A bowl. Some foaming hand soap. Some baking soda. And some... my tripod fell. I'm sorry, guys. Some mezcal. This is a gallon, which I got for my birthday, but that's all I'm saying. Shh. That's all I'm saying. Whoop. Okay. Yeah, so let's get started to make some bubblegum slime. So first, I'm going to grab my bowl. And we're just going to be pouring some glue into my bowl. I'm really bad at opening things, but my dad had to open the glue for me. Whoop. Oh. It's not full, but like it's pretty full. So much I'm gonna use. I want a lot of bubblegum slime. I also gotta go grab a container. Let me go grab that. I already grabbed a container. I just use these little snack cups. They're perfect for slime. Like really perfect for the size of slimes that I make. So now you're going to be grabbing your shaving foam. You're just going to be I'm sorry guys, my tripod is not working right now. It's not well. If you don't believe me, here it is. Here it is, the tripod. That is the tripod. If you don't believe me. So you're going to be shaking the shaving foam up. First I need to open this up. Wait. Just shake that up right now. Shake, 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 shake. I got some emoji slippers. Shake that up. Why is my tripod so bad right now? I literally, hold on you guys. I don't know what's happening right now, you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I'm sorry if this is a terrible angle. My tripod does not want to work. I gotta go fix it. Okay. Now we're gonna add some shaving foam. So it would make it a little bit fluffy. Oh, I forgot one more important thing. For the ingredients, you're going to be needing some baby powder. I have some body powder, but yeah, I can't believe I forgot that. Spread that on the sides. And you're just going to be mixing that in. It literally looks like a marshmallow. Now you're going to be adding to 2 pumps of some. It's depending how much you have. I have like a little bit of glue, so Yeah. You guys can't even see it. It's going to be wanting to make sure you get all the sides. It actually turned out to be one of my favorite kinds of slimes. And I'm sorry that it is not focusing. So now I'm going to be adding some food coloring. Before I do that, you're going to be adding some body powder. Because I knew something was missing. Just a little bit. Again, it's depending how much you add, how much glue you add. I'm going to be mixing that up. I don't really know what the body powder does. Or baby powder. I don't really know what it does. But any kind of powder, minus baking, like baking powder, like that. Like body powder, baby powder, or baby powder or body powder will work this exact same. I'm going to be adding like a very light blue. Probably like this one. I don't know. That's actually pretty much like the mint. That's actually really nice. I really like it. It's really stretchy. So that's that. Now you're going to be adding a pinch of baking soda. I ran out of works, you guys. I actually ran out. So I'm going to be using baking soda today. I'm sorry, guys. I cannot talk today. You're just going to mix that up. It does take quite a lot of activator. Well, for me it does. We add quite a lot at a time. I got it. Hold on, you guys. I work better when I do this, but it doesn't really work like that. So. Oh, it's already forming. This is not a really good angle. The clue to slime is to be patient, because then you're going to overactivate your slime. You see how fluffy it already looks? I just made a fluffy slime, you guys. I'm pretty sure I just made one. I don't remember. Wait, did I? Oh, I didn't. That was weird. Hold on, you guys. I don't remember just me making some. Hold on, whatever. Oh, never mind. I'm going to be doing a slime collection soon, so make sure to check that out. Not right now. If I uploaded it, make sure to go check it out. Can you all do me a favor? Go press like Fun with Scammy, like the little single. Press it and see if there's a slime collection. Like, probably right after this video. Not the slime collection 44 slimes. The other one. This is still a little bit sticky. But I think it's ready to knead. Literally, look at this. You just need to knead it because it's still sticky, but you just need to like knead it a little bit. So we're gonna be kneading this up. As you can see, it's really fluffy. It kind of feels like a fluffy slime. But it's just like really like droopy for a fluffy slime. It's kind of hard to poke because it's so fluffy. It's not very pokey, like as pokey as a real slime would be. I'm gonna start. This is gonna be where I'm gonna make my videos now. I love this background. It's actually not a background. It's actually like my floor. See, my floor. I've never seen my floor before. Maybe after pages, you probably. Ah! Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my god, that was the most hilarious thing. There's my tripod. But here is the fluffy slime. I'm gonna put this back where it belongs. I have no idea what just happened. It's really stretchy. I'm sorry for what just happened. My tripod is not wanting to work today. I literally love this slime. Like, look at this. It looks like a marshmallow. I love it. I made quite a lot of it, so I don't think it'll be that good if you make like a little bit of it, so I will request to make a lot of it. Probably as much as I did. Or like a cup. Don't start again. This is as far as it's gonna go. You see? It was really sticky before, now it's hardly even sticky. So you just need to knead it. It's still a little bit sticky. Not as sticky as you think, but it's just a little bit sticky. I really like this slime. Totally recommend it. Just like a fluffy slime. So if you don't like fluffy slimes, I would not recommend this slime. But if you like fluffy slimes and really slimes, this is a perfect slime for you. But yeah, I'm gonna call this extra gum, like extra slime, because it looks like the extras gum, which is the one that I'm eating right now. My friend Miley gave it to me. Thank you. And now I'm actually pretty into squishies. I have 3 right now. I will probably show you more if I get a bigger collection. If I get more than 5, I'll totally show you a squishy collection. But yeah. Or if you want me to do one right now, just let me know in the comments down below. I honestly just love this one. It's really pokey, but you gotta put it away for it won't dry out. You see, it fits perfectly in this container. And here's how much I made. So yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know, do you like bubblegum? Bye!